Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampurasun. Good morning, everyone. We gather today at a pivotal moment in our planet history. The evidence is irrefutable and the urgency is palpable. Global warming is no longer a distant forecast, but a present-day reality, touching every corner of our world, from the smallest island nation to the largest continents. We see its signature in the rising temperatures, the intensity of extreme weather events, and the profound shifts in our natural ecosystem. The call to action has never been louder, the need for solution never more critical. Today, we are not just here to discuss the challenge, but to be inspired, to learn, and to galvanize our collective will towards meaningful change. And to guide us on this crucial journey, we are incredibly honored to welcome a truly distinguished voice in the global fight against climate change. Our keynote speaker, Mr. Koswara, is a renowned climate scientist, environmental policy advisor, sustainable development advocate whose work has been instrumental in shaping our understanding of global warming and, more importantly, in illuminating the pathways towards a sustainable future. With 10 years of dedicated experience, Mr. Koswara has been at forefront of pioneering research on Arctic ice melt, developing innovative renewable energy solutions, advocating for international climate agreements, empowering local communities in adaptation strategies. His groundbreaking work at the prestigious Earth Prize, a Nobel nomination, but has also directly influenced policies and spurred action across the globe. What truly set Mr. Koswara apart is not just his profound expertise, but his unwavering commitment to translating complex scientific truths into actionable strategies, and his ability to inspire hope and determination in the face of daunting odds. He understands that tackling global warming requires not only scientific ingenuity and policy reform, but a fundamental shift in our perspective and a united global effort. Today, Mr. Koswara will be sharing his invaluable insights on the imperative of climate resilience in the 21st century. We will hear about the latest findings, the most promising solution, and critically, the role each of us can play as we navigate this defining challenge of our time. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in giving a very warm and enthusiastic welcome to a true champion for our planet, Mr. Koswara. Thank you.